Hello, I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill in 30 days. And I am standing here with Danielle at Designed for You, which is, I love your signage. I love how unique this place is.
Yeah.
And it's not just about unique finds that you kind of repurpose.
Yeah.
But there's more. Tell me more about that.
So up front you'll find vintage things that we have repurposed for your home, and then repainted furniture. But there's also retail too. So we have a very facetious and playful attitude around here. So you'll find really funny signs with words on them, and candles, and our drinkware, and different things like that. And then we go into the painting of the furniture. So Fusion Mineral Paint is one of our best sellers. And that also brings you into the workshops of painting furniture. And then in the back there's a do-it-yourself workshop with about 90 different wooden projects, wreaths, candles, soap making, and then the knitted blankets as well. And then kids, we have about 30 different projects for.
I didn't realize you did kids too, so forgive me. So I always learn something new when I come to these. But actually the first time I met you, I was like looking for something that I couldn't find, and I was like, help me find. I was looking for a big mirror, and I'm like, very specifics, and you're like, I got you, and you took care of me. So I know that that's probably not the main thing, but it's good to know that if you're looking for eclectic, you're probably gonna have some luck here.
And I always say, if it's not here, it might be in the storage unit.
There you go. There you go. So you're an amazing addition here.
Thank
Love
you.
what you do. I know you guys are very involved with a lot of things on Main Street.
We try to be,
It's appreciated. So thanks for taking the time tonight.
Of course, no problem. Thank you for coming.
Absolutely, it's very festive. And thanks to our cameraman who's standing behind, Danielle's husband, George. Thank you, sir. So again, this is 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill in 30 days. Designed for you right on Main Street in Mullica Hill. I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty in Mullica Hill. Go make it a great day.
Bye.